Hi, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out and spoke with Taylor the other day, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to really maximize your traffic online. So with that, let me get started. So you're doing a lot of good things here. You have your form submit, your phone number, love your badges. Those are clean. You have a lot of ways to convert right here at the top, and everything looks great. The one thing I would say looking through your site is that there's not a ton of content here. And content is anything that you can highlight, whether it be pictures, text, and there's really a couple reasons why you want a lot of content. The first is so that you could be found for keywords. And right now you're only being found for one. That one keyword, I'm assuming, is your name, which, you obviously want to always, oh, it looks like it didn't update, it's 3. You know, Nassau roofers, which is great. Roofing contractor, Nassau County. So you're number 1 for Nassau roofers, which is good again. But say I wanted to rank for Long Island, for instance, right? Um, which there's a lot of volume here. For Long Island, I found almost 5,000 searches. So if I wanted to rank for something like that, I would have that as a heading. I would have it within my content. I would even save an image as that keyword. So let's use, a lot of times let's use your logo. So, your logo, instead of being roofing logo, I would save this as Roof Repair Long Island, or Long Island Roofing Experts, or whatever it may be. Whatever keyword you're looking to be found for, having that within your content really helps in you getting ranked. And then the more content you have, the more likely Google is to feel that you're an expert. They kind of equate content with expertise, right? The more content you have, the more likely you are to be an expert in your field. So content's super important, and that would definitely be my first tip. My second tip is to give yourself a lot of opportunities to be seen for any given keyword. And what I mean by that is, if somebody searches roof repair Long Island, there's many ways in which they can convert, right? You have these local ads which convert at a very high level. Normally underneath here you have Google ads, which are great. You have a lot more control over the local ads. They don't convert as high a rate, but they are very effective, and they do work very well. You have the map pack, which ranks which can pull up to 40% of the traffic. So just being in this top 3 can really drive traffic to your site. So that's, very effective and great. And then you have your organics. So if you're running a local ad, you're running a Google ad, you're ranking in the top 3, and you're ranking organically, you're going to pull as much traffic for any given keyword as possible. So that would be my second tip, is just to give yourself a wide variety of ways in which to be seen. And there's obviously the ads are pretty self-explanatory. How you rank yourself on the Google Business Profile. You want to add photos that are geotagged, saved as keywords. You want to post regularly. You want to make sure your profile's filled out. You want your name, address, and phone number on a ton of directories that have to do with your particular service. So contracting, anything like that. And then, obviously you can get reviews. Those help as well. So there's a lot to it, but, they really pull in a lot of traffic. But that would be my second tip, is just to kind of diversify where you're being seen. And then last but not least, build up the strength of your site. And how you do that is by adding referring domains that send links back to your site. And particularly, you want to follow links that are going to give you power. And what that looks like in your competition, this is Long Island Roof Repair, and they have 58 do follow links and 99 referring domains, and they're ranking in 107 keywords, and they're getting quite a bit of traffic every month. So, this is something you want to emulate. Obviously, people that are doing it, people that are ranking, that are getting a lot of traffic, you want to emulate what they're doing. and you want to build upon it and do it better. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions, concerns, comments. Would love to get your feedback on this video. But with that, have a great day and God bless.